At one of my baby showers, we had a little headband bow making station, so we got a lot of cute, super cute bows. They're really easy to make, so today I'm going to show you how to make them, and it's really a simple process. And these are just a couple of the examples of bows that people made for us. So I'm going to show you how to put these together really quick. It's super easy and they're so fun. At my baby shower, we had a headband making station, and I got a ton of like adorable little headbands that my friends made with different bows and flowers and different color headbands. And I just wanted to show you guys how to make these because they're so super simple, and headbands can be kind of expensive if you're buying a ton of them. So I just wanted to show you this DIY project if you want to do it yourself, or if you are planning a baby shower. This is a super fun thing if you're planning a little girl's shower. So all you need are scissors, a glue gun, a little felt backing that you can purchase online, and then a flower of your choosing, and the stretchy headband material. So you can buy this at most craft stores or online. The flowers I got have this mesh backing, so I'm gonna remove that because you can leave it on, but I think it looks cuter without it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut that off. So I've removed the outside mesh from this flower. I'm sure you can get the flowers without it, but the kind I had the mesh backing, so I removed most of it. Since it's an unfinished flower, I wasn't perfect with my edges, but it's gonna look super cute. So the next thing you do is take your headband material, which is super stretchy, and measure it out. I haven't decided what size headband this is gonna be, so I'm just gonna kind of guesstimate my size. So I'm thinking a bigger one. I'm gonna cut this. Once you have your cut headband fabric, your flower, and your felt backing, that's really all you need. Everything else is just extra. So what you're gonna do is fold it over and put a little bit of hot glue. You can do it either way. You can put it on the headband fabric or on the flower. I'm going to do both actually. So you just put a little bit in the middle and then you are going to stick it on there. So it might take a little bit to get it perfect, but as you can see, you just press it down. And then let that dry for a couple seconds. And then the felt backing will come into play. And now the last step, you turn it over, you put some hot glue down in the center or on your little felt pad, and you pop it on. So this protects the baby from any of the edges or the hot glue, and once it dries, it's really nice and soft. So as you can see, it's a very nice surface for the little baby's head. And that is how you make a baby headband. It's super simple. All you need are a few different items and you just glue them together. Honestly, I have loved all the headbands my friends made and that I've made, so I'm super excited about when the baby comes, letting her wear these handmade do-it-yourself headbands along with some of the ones I bought because, let's be honest, headbands are super cute on babies and I've bought quite a few. So this is the probably most frugal and fun way that I've made them, and there's probably other ways you can make them using stuff that you have in your house that you can just repurpose and reuse, but currently this is my favorite way and I love this. It's so cute. I can't wait for her to be here and wear it.